Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure FordPass charging features for EV peak rate avoidance step by step clearly. Open your FordPass app. Log into your account using your credentials. Ensure your vehicle is connected to the app. Navigate to the charging section on the main menu. Select charge settings or charging features. Look for the peak rate avoidance option. Tap to enable or configure this feature. Review the settings for peak rate times in your area. Adjust the charging schedule according to your utility's peak hours. Set your preferred charging start time. Specify your desired charge completion time. Confirm your settings by tapping Save or Apply. Monitor your charging status on the app. Check for notifications related to charging adjustments. If needed, adjust the settings later to better suit your schedule. Review your charging history to analyze energy usage. Revisit the charging section periodically for updates or changes. Congratulations, you've successfully configured peak rate avoidance features. Enjoy optimized charging for your electric vehicle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.